Hello everyone, my name is Moushami. Today I am going to show you eye exercises which will be really beneficial to keep your eyes healthy, fit and fine. Nowadays if we see there are so many children age 4 above, they have glasses. Definitely nowadays we have different gadgets and because of that all these children are playing so many video games or watching something on iPad and whatnot. So they are more engaged indoors than outdoors. Definitely we can tell them to reduce the watching time or playing time on iPads and all gadgets. But at the same time, we should convince them that they should do eye exercises. And these eye exercises are not just for children but for everyone, even those people who don't have glasses, so that we all can have very healthy eyes all the time. So even if children are not much convinced about doing eye exercises, if you sit with them and if you do eye exercises, definitely they will learn from you. These are really very simple techniques to do these eye exercises. So first and very important thing is when you are awake in the morning, the first thing what you are going to do is just take normal temperature water, the tap water. Just open the tap and like in your hands take the water and just splash on your eyes. Just do this for 2-3 times continuously. After that temperature, just go for warm temperature or like lukewarm, and again do the same process. Take some water and splash it again 2-3 times. Then again cold water. So just do this cycle like cold warm for 2-3 times, and then obviously just wipe your eyes very gently. And then if there is sunrise, like if it's not cloudy outside and if the sun is rising, just sit near the window, or if you can go outdoors, then just go outdoors and just look at the sun. Those rays, those sun rays when the sun is rising, they are very beneficial for our eyes. And if it is always cloudy in your country, then like right now it's not too much sunny outside, it's a bit cloudy, but at least there is a light, so you can sit near the window and you can do these few eye exercises which I'm going to show right now. And make sure you do this with your children as well. So this is a very simple one. The first one is just look up and down by keeping your head straight. So something like this. So make sure when your eyes are up and when it goes down, don't go up, down. Make sure you are coming to the center and then looking down, then again coming to the center and then look up. So this is the process. Same you're going to do left, right. So when eyes go right, then come to the center, then go left, then again center, then to the right. So always make sure eyes always come to the center and then to the different side. The third thing is eye rotation. So this is the eye rotation. Start from 12 o'clock and then rotate your eyes. Again make sure they go to the right, then down, then to the left, then up, and then anti-clockwise again same 12 o'clock position, eyes to the left, down, to the right and up. So again do this cycle for 3-4 times. So this is clockwise and anti-clockwise, and after that you can blink your eyes like so it's called basically butterfly blinks. So you can blink your eyes very fast like this. So hopefully children will enjoy this. So blink your eyes as fast as possible. So you can tell them just blink it as fast as possible, and then keep your eyes closed and then again open your eyes and then again blink. just count like 8 or 10 times or 15 times, it's totally up to you. And then again keep your eyes closed. So this is another exercise. One more thing is squeeze your eyes as much as possible like this. Then again you can count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then eyes wide open. It's totally up to you how far or for how much time you can keep it wide open like this. And then again you are going to squeeze it. Again count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then again open. So it's wide open, it's not just open but wide open. And then again keep your eyes closed. So again do this for 3-4 times. And once you are done with this, then just go somewhere where it's a bit dark, somewhere in the corner of any room, and then you can place your palms on your eyes. So when I say place your palms on your eyes, just don't do it like this. So this is basically the palm. So make sure this part is on your eyes, and mostly when you do that, your first and second finger, it just gets crossed like this. And make sure no light should enter from any hole, so it should be very closed. Don't do it tight, but it should be properly closed. And in that position you need to do this for say 3 to 4 minutes. So before going for this process, palms on your eyes, you can play any song whichever you like for 3-4 minutes, and then once the song is done, then you will realize that 4 minutes are over. So if you see the whole process, it won't take more than 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so you start doing these eye exercises, and really you will feel the difference, and definitely the difference will be positive. And tell your children as well to do this for their own healthy eyes. That's it for today. I hope you like this video and keep your eyes healthy, fit and fine. Thank you so much. Have a good day.